Alright, for this video we're going to be adding mixed numbers. So we have our steps in our example. Our example is 5 1/2 plus 2 7/8. So our first step is to find the LCM and then rewrite with the new denominator. So we're using the 2 and the 8. So the 2 and the 8. We're going to find the LCM. So we have a 2 and we have an 8. We list our multiples of 2 first. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 8, 16, 24. Our least common multiple, the one that they have in common, is 8. So we're going to rewrite them with a denominator of 8. So I'm just going to draw a line and then rewrite it on this side. You want to make sure you leave your whole numbers alone. So I have a 5 and my 2 still. And then I have my denominators of 8. Well, we'll start with the 2 first. 7/8, 8 to go to 8, we multiply by 1, so 7 times 1 would be 7. In order to go from 2 to 8, we're multiplying by 4. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 1 times 4 is 4. So our new equation is 5 4/8 plus 2 7/8. Alright, our next step is to add the fraction piece only. So I'm going to grab my blue pen. Our fraction piece is the 4/8 and the 7/8. We only add the numerator. The denominator is going to stay the same. So our denominator is going to stay as an 8. And we add our 7 and our 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Alright. Step 3 is to add the whole numbers. So our whole numbers, 5 and 2. 5 plus 2, 7. So currently our answer is 7 and 11/8. But 11/8 is an improper fraction. Okay, so step 4, if the fraction is an improper fraction, simplify by creating another whole. Okay. So here's what that means. We're going to take our 11/8 and we're going to take out a whole, one whole. And if you remember, one whole means that the denominator and the top are the same. So I'm going to take it out, so I'm going to subtract. If I have a denominator of 8, then my numerator is going to be 8, which leaves me with 11 minus 8 is 3/8. So what that means is this is going to get added to our 7. So our 7 is going to become an 8. And our 11/8 is going to turn into 3/8. So our final answer is 8 3/8.